Hi, it's Emilia here. Welcome to another Christmas project. This time I will be decorating Christmas mitten. This is the wooden shape from Stamperia designed by me, and I'm happy to share that inspiration with you today. In the set you will find top part for the mitten, base shape and two snowflakes, and today I will use them all. First step is to adhere the paper to the base. I'm using the paper from Gear Up to Christmas collection, which I absolutely love, and then I will use white acrylic paint to paint the top part of my mitten and also to go on the edges of the mitten to give it a snowy effect. For the acrylic paint I use kitchen sponge cut into small piece. I love the texture that sponge leaves on the elements, so the top part will be white with a little bit of texture which I'm going to add later. When the acrylic paint is dry, it's time to add some texture. I'm using volume paste and beautiful stencil with little snowflakes and stars, and I'm just going to use it here and there on my project, on the mitten and then also on the top part. This time, after adding a volume paste, I will use white embossing powder on top of it, and then I will dry it all with the heat gun. It is a great technique to add a bit of shine to your project. I mean, it's not very shiny when the powder dries on the volume paste, but the volume paste is not as matte as it would be without it. So I love to combine them both. It's just drying time of embossing powder and the volume paste is longer than it would be with if you use it with the ink. So bear that in mind, that you have to use your heat gun for a bit longer. It's time to attach the top of the mitten to the base, but before I will do it, I'm going to use a small piece of ribbon to attach between those two elements. For that I'm using gel medium. You can also use a very strong glue. I will try to flatten the ribbon as much as possible, so I'll be able to adhere both elements, and this ribbon can be later used to hang the project or just as a decorative element. And then I will create the composition. I'm attaching snowflakes, and my main element is a paper image from Gear Up to Christmas collection. And this actually will be it for the composition. I'm not going to add more elements apart one very little star also cut out of the paper collection. And this will be it. To finish off the project, I will use a volume paste again on the edges of my element and on the top to add even more snow, and I probably will be doing that for every Christmas project. I just love that effect, and I will be saying goodbye. Thank you so much for joining me today. I hope you like that little cute and adorable mitten. I just love it, and I hope to see your creations inspired by this video. And if you create something, please tag me and Stamperia on social media. We would love to see your projects. Thanks again. Have a lovely creative day. Bye bye.